Hey guys, today we're talking about the roborock Q5 Plus RoboVac. This is one of the best RoboVacs on Amazon, and I want to go into a little bit more of the specifics, specifically the robot vacuum itself, and show you a little bit more of the pieces and everything that make it up. So you can see here we do have the tower, which has the self-emptying bin and everything like that. But really what I want to focus on is here with the RoboVac itself. So you can see here on top we do have the power button, the home button. Those are going to be your manual buttons, but of course you can control everything through the app. You can see here as we lift this up that it does have the actual cartridge itself. You can also see there it does have the QR code to connect. I have a different video talking about that, but this is the underside. So you can see here pretty basic, but also very high quality. So you can see here self-adjustable wheels, which are very sturdy. You have the power fins, which are going to clean up all the dust and debris, and that's where everything is going to suck up. So it's going to suck up into here. It's going to be emptied into this back cartridge here, filtered through that top that we saw there, and it's going to be sucked up into there. You can see here we do have the two power charging things. Those are going to go on there. So it goes head up into there. You can see all the sensors that we have down here as well. And we also have the controlling wheel. This is also very nice to, this is the self-rotating bristles. They are actually rubber, which is really nice because those are going to get up dust and debris a little bit better than the actual bristles. And you can see that there are 5 of them, so those work really, really well as well. So flipping it back over here, you can see on the front, we do have the different cameras and sensors, right? Which is going to be really great. And you can see here that the adjustable, I'll flip it over here so you can see a little bit better. This is the adjustable plate, which is really great because this thing is going to run into just about everything as it runs around, right? So that is going to be really great because it's designed to do that, which means it's not going to break or anything. The roborock Q5 Plus, absolutely one of the best buys that you can find here on Amazon. Show you a little bit more of the parts here, but hopefully this gives you a good idea of how good of a RoboVac it really is.